Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card transactions using Quicken Classic, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Quicken Classic on your computer. Log in to your Quicken account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Locate the credit card account you wish to back up. Click on the account to open its transaction history. Look for the File menu at the top left of the screen. Select Export from the drop-down options. Choose Export Transactions to start the backup process. You will see a dialog box prompting you to select the file type. Select your preferred format, commonly CSV or PDF. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. Name the file for easy identification later. Click Save to create the backup of your credit card transactions. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the export was successful. If you wish to verify the backup, navigate to the saved location. Open the exported file with a compatible program, such as Excel or a PDF reader. Review the file to ensure all transactions have been captured accurately. Close any open programs and return to Quicken. Repeat this process regularly to maintain up-to-date backups of your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.